No.
You don't want now?
No, not yet.
Oh, you see animals.
Well, we're supposed to be seeing animals, but you're being silly. Look, there's some animals.
Oh. Oh yeah.
What are these? Will you stop eating?
I didn't know before.
No, there's more animals there now.
No, look at these animals.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Look. How do you know it's nice? You're looking at the biscuits. Alice.
There's a camel up here on the hill, look. In front of Mummy. In front of Mummy.
Wow.
Camels back over again now.
Oh yeah.
Oh look, they're coming after. Right, come here, come with Mummy.
I don't know even on 25 like this. Oh, it's got my water now.
Have you been a poo, that camel? Do you think he'd been a poo?
No.
Alice, you need to stop, love.
Mama.
No, that's enough.
Mama.
No, you stay there now.
Look at
No, that's it. Look. No.
Grandma
No.
don't want you. I want you to stay with Mummy. But you don't, can you stay still?
No. Sit still. That's enough.
Yeah. I think they must pick some up though. Because, I mean, they couldn't
Look at the bridges talking to the baby. That is a baby one.
How little he is.
Oh. See all the spots on his back? That means he's tiny baby. He put a poo on the floor.
Why? Why?
Well, the animal's got a poo-poo. In the poo-poo. We can see some giraffes now.
I'm still a buffalo first.
Mama, see that.
No, you sit with me to see giraffes.
My dad.
No, you're sitting with me to see giraffes.
Not tough.
You can see them better in the front. Oh,
Look, there's a zebra. Alice, sit down.
I not see properly.
Yes, you can see properly. Look. Look. Look, there.
There's buffalo over there.
Oh,
Alice.
I
Hey?
don't know what
Look,
they are over
there.
I can't see anything.
Look.
It's
Cows
cows.
are all
Look,
over.
there.
Cows.
Look. Look at the two zebras there.
Interesting.
Look, this side.
Like horses, aren't they? With stripes on.
Stripy bum horses.
And they're eating the grass. See the big cows out Daddy's side?
Look over there.
Great big horns on them.
Oh, there's cows out there now.
Yeah. And curly.
Oh, he's looking at you, Alice.
No.
Oh.
Aww.
Did he look at you?
Try to say no, Steve.
There's some buffaloes down here.
And some geese.
Of the ducks or swans or whatever. Over there.
Geese.
Geese, isn't it? I wanted to see some. Where's the buffalo? Look.
My little teddy.
She got tired.
Yeah.
She wants Teddy.
She's
Yeah.
she's
Mama,
nearly
we
there.
are
Been there
going with
anyway.
Mama.
No, you
Oh,
stay with
it's
Mummy.
really there
'Cause
now.
you're being silly.
Draft.
Yeah, we're coming up to the giraffes now.
But they're not obviously not getting them out straight then.
Well, they might do, but just not yet.
They're getting them ready because they don't come out this path from
Well,
here.
down there.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Mama, my tattoo, Mama.
Later.
Look, there's giraffes there.
Do you see the giraffes?
Yeah, well,
Tattoo, Mommy.
That's not very nice, Alice.
Why?
Hey, man.
leaves. Can you see them?
Daddy.
Muck about in there. I don't know if they clean it up or not.
I would imagine they must do, John. They can't just leave it.
Mama, Mommy, every dog.
Okay.
Dog.
Well, now we're going to go and see some more animals now. Should we park up and get you in the pram?
You going to have your bum changed?
Have a bum change?
Yep, babe.
Where's the cars when it parks up?
Some more cars waiting, going out there now, right?
Yeah.
I don't know when you're coming in though, it's what it normally is.
I should imagine they're quite dearly, sure, but yeah.
I've got a clue.